Hey, you know what you call a fish with two knees?
No.
A two-knee fish.
A toonie. Okay.
Well, that didn't work like I thought it would.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Morning. Cheers.
I
Love you.
Good morning, everyone. It probably worked on them.
I doubt it.
They're probably all saying, "Oh, that guy's an idiot,"
I
and
seriously,
his wife's a bigger
I
idiot.
seriously doubt it. Holy moly.
Oh, golly gee. It is summertime here. For sure. Temps are going boop, 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 boop.
Well, for this area.
What do you mean
You know,
for this area?
well, most of the country's had this all since the end of
Already.
May.
We have been
And you're whining
very-
about 4 or 5 days. That's all it's going to be, 4 or 5 days.
Okay. You've got your... it's on video. He said that.
4 or 5 days of 100 degrees. That's it. And it's all over after that. Then
This
it's
week-
winter time.
No. Oh, gosh, I wish. No. But we have been very, very lucky, knock on wood. Last year, we had excruciating hot weather in May
Yeah.
and through June, and we made it to July without it being horrible.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So,
It's livable.
yeah, Kevin and I are going, "Ah." The other evening, because when the sun goes down here, it gets nice and cool.
And why is that?
Why is what?
Why does that happen?
What do you mean?
Because of the elevation.
Oh,
That's
Okay.
why. That's the only reason.
okay.
Because
Well,
our elevation is right at 6,000 feet.
it's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. So the sun goes down, it gets cool out here, and Tom and Wendy are going, "Ooh, it's chilly, it's time to go in." And Kevin's like, "What?" And I'm like, "What?" Yeah. It's pretty funny.
What?
It's pretty funny.
On with the show.
Now with the show, we have some birthdays this week. Summertime, there's a lot of birthdays in our family here. Family and friends. All right, so my
Because they
sister-in-law.
didn't have a lot to do in the wintertime.
Wintertime,
here.
yeah. There you go. I had to keep warm somehow. So my sister-in-law's birthday is on Tuesday. Happy birthday, Rayhana.
Happy birthday.
Hope we get to see you.
Yes.
And then our nephew Adam's birthday is on Wednesday.
Whoa.
On the 16th.
Happy
and
birthday,
then-
old man.
Our grandson Alex,
Yes.
his birthday is on Friday. On
Happy
the
birthday,
18th.
Alex.
Happy birthday, Alex. We love you. Alex gets to go do something pretty cool for his birthday. He gets to go to Oxford University for 2 weeks. It's on like some kind of an exchange
Wow.
program type thing during the summer.
Amazing.
So pretty cool birthday present, wouldn't you think?
Yeah.
So he's pretty excited about that. Last Saturday after we chatted, I went to go help my mom. She,
You know what? You do that a lot during the summer, and it's
Yes.
a good thing you get to spend time with mom.
Yes,
So,
it is.
you know,
it is.
it's
So
good to help out.
She has her broken wrist, and it's hard for her to do some things one-handed. She needed some like canned food opened up for her. She can't do it with one hand. So I went to go do that and a couple other
She
little things
needs
for her.
an electronic device that opens cans. Maybe somebody could invent something like that.
She has one, but you still need two hands for those.
Oh.
You do. You got to be able to hold the can up there and press the lever down, but you need two hands.
Oh.
So, because she does have one of those.
Somebody needs to invent a one-handed can opener.
Well, you get right on that, okay? Right after the video, as soon as you get the video up, you
There
can
you go.
start inventing that.
There you go.
All right. And then we watched a movie. We've been watching a little bit more movies. We watched one, Heads of State. It was pretty good.
Yeah. What network was it on?
Oh, gosh.
Here we go. Well, you know us. It's either Netflix or Prime.
Right,
One of the
it's
two.
one of those two.
One of the two.
Exactly, those are the only two. So, but it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was a
I
good
couldn't
movie.
even tell you the actors that were in it,
It's a good movie.
but it was very good.
Yeah.
Had humor and action. It was good. Sunday was just kind of a lazy day, the last day of the 4th of July weekend. And you spent it kind of merch designing and doing
Yeah.
video stuff. That's his thing. He likes
Come on.
to sit on his computer and he researches video stuff, and he did some merch designing.
I'll
And
spend an hour or two doing stuff like that, you know, and it's
that's
like, okay.
his hobby.
It's a hobby.
That's what he enjoys doing. So Monday I worked and went to lunch with Lola, my grandpuppy, for those that might be new here. My son lives only a couple miles away, and he needs help with his puppy. She
Yeah.
is a year and a half, but she is a handful and needs to be taken care of at lunchtime. And sometimes it's just hard for him to get away from work, drive out here, take care of her, and get back to work. She doesn't get enough time. But so I go do it, and I enjoy it. And he worked on some more merch design.
Yeah.
And Tuesday I had fun with Lola, but we woke up to a not so fun surprise.
Yeah,
This
Tuesday
is,
morning was not a fun morning at all.
and this is one way to get you to deep clean. It's like
Your RV.
hit you over the head. Or it could be your house too. Ants. The little teeny tiny black sugar ants. We had them. We never have had them in the house. Well, they decided, ooh, look at this cord going straight up into the window. So our Starlink cord, we've got it coming up through the window. We've got a pool noodle, but there's still a little opening. And they went, ooh, look at this, right into the house. So we pulled everything away from the wall and vacuumed everything, and you sprayed.
Wiped down the walls and then sprayed outside.
Yeah. So
Sprayed the cord.
vacuumed,
and-
cleaned. Yep, those little boogers.
Have you ever had ants in your RV?
Yep, that's something that we just have never had, knock on wood, until now. Just the little teeny tiny sugar ants.
Yeah.
But
And they weren't very sweet. I tried one or two.
did
of
you?
them,
Did
yeah.
you? I don't think they have very much flavor.
No.
I'm not going to try it, but who knows? We've probably eaten them before.
Seriously, have you ever had chocolate-covered insects? Have you ever done that?
No.
Have you ever done that? I have had chocolate-covered crickets, chocolate-covered grasshoppers, chocolate-covered ants. Yeah, I can remember doing that as a kid. We had them like
A
that.
grasshopper, those are big. That would be just really nasty.
Yeah,
No,
pretty good and
no,
crunchy
thank
and
you.
chocolatey.
Thanks.
Maybe
My-
that's what's wrong with me.
You've eaten too many bugs. Oh, good grief.
Let us know in the comments below if you've had those before.
Yes, let us know. And how you liked it or not.
Yeah,
Was it worth it or
yeah,
not?
yeah,
Was there enough chocolate on it
yeah,
or not?
yeah.
We have a 2004 Kia Sorento, and years ago, the rear windshield wiper was broken off, and Tom thought, oh, hey, why don't we finally fix that? So he ordered a new windshield wiper, and something's wrong with the motor in it now. So I don't know if it's because it hasn't been used or what. All of a sudden, the motor to the windshield wiper doesn't work. So
You used to be able to hear it. You could turn it on even though there's no wiper, and you could just hear the motor. You could hear it grinding. And you put the wiper on there, and it quit grinding. It's like, what's going on now?
It's like, darn it. So we sent it back, and then now we need to figure out.
I need to figure out how to get the motor out of the hatch. The hatchback opens up and
Yeah,
pull
with
the complete inside of that off, and that's
a job for a day that's not 90 to 100.
Yeah.
So, and then you took the truck in to
Yep.
go fill it up with fuel.
Yep.
And because we had reset day coming up the next day, and you went to the truck doctor to make an appointment.
Yep.
So
Get a
Just a checkup.
Just a checkup, a few little odds and ends done with the truck, but nothing major.
we hope.
So
Knock
just,
on wood again.
nah, there's nothing wrong with it.
So Wednesday was reset day. So we did our drive across the valley to the border town.
We go dump our tanks because where we're mooch docking for the summer, we do not have a septic or a sewer system to dump into
Nope.
here. So we do have water and we mooch a little bit of power, but with our solar system, we're pretty self-sufficient. But every 2.5 to 3 weeks, we have to go dump the tanks.
Yep.
You know?
So
oh well.
and changing it to a positive for anyone
Yeah.
that's new here. we, instead of going, oh God, it's dump day, we got to pack up and move, it's reset day.
Reset. So we
Give-
reset everything inside the rig.
Gives us a chance to clean, put things away. You know, things just kind of start getting cluttered when you're just sitting for a while. So we call it a reset day, and it's a positive thing, and it's not such a drag to have to go drag our house to go empty the tanks anymore.
That's right.
And then I went to lunch with Lola again.
Oh, and by the way, it was a perfect reset day because when we leave like our underneath our tires,
Our pads
and
and our
stuff like
levelers.
that set.
Yep, we just leave
And
it all
when
right
we,
there.
when we come and we back up again into the driveway into this, I was dead on. Not even a half an inch off from where we were before.
Yep. So we
backing up.
tried to back up right onto the same place, and the driveway now is gravel, so we can't even see our tire tracks really, especially you in the truck.
But it's, you know, most of the time I'm within a few inches side to side. Dead on this time.
Yep. We have that beach lane leveler, so it's really cool when you
Oh, that
turn on
helps.
it on and you go, ta-da, zeros, yay, right on zero. Boom. So that's fun too. Instead of the backing up forward, backing up forward, backing up forward. That's not fun. So Wendy and Kevin got new little chickies.
They've
Chickens.
decided they're going to be chicken ranchers.
Yeah, a whole big 9 of them.
So
They ordered 8 of them, and then they got a freebie, so that's what that one's name is
Yeah.
is freebie. But there's supposed to be 1 rooster, 7 hens. So they are just the cutest little babies, and they're so fun. We've already been having fun playing with them. So
you
Kevin,
try to get them acclimated to you holding them and petting them
yes,
and
being handled.
talking to them. They learn your voices and things like that. You know, it's just
Especially if they're going to be egg layers
Yeah.
and not food.
yeah.
So because
And if they're not egg layers, yes, they are. They're going to become food.
you don't want to get too attached to
No, you don't.
to food. So, but we've been having fun and helping Wendy and Kevin get things taken care of. And during the day, we go and check on and make sure they have more clean water because they're just little babies and they're just walking through everything. Well, of course, chickens do that anyway.
Yep.
They walk through and mess up everything. But this way, we can keep track of their clean water and their food. Thursday morning I worked a little bit, and then I went to go play old lady Yahtzee with Mom and her friends. So Mom was kind of in a little bit of a down mood, so it wasn't as fun as normal, but Vivian and Terry were great. Everybody gets times like that, right? And you had some quiet time while I was gone. I don't know
Yep.
what you and Kaylee did.
We
but
didn't do anything.
We checked on the chickies.
We checked on the chickies, or I checked on the chickies, not Kaylee. But we just kind of sat around and did absolutely
You probably
nothing.
played on your computer some more.
We had a nice relaxing.
He watches a lot of YouTube
Quiet
that I'm
day.
not interested in watching,
day.
so we watch a lot of that.
Yeah.
Other channels and
Yeah.
stuff. He gets ideas and, excuse me, we're always learning still, even though we're almost 10 years into this. 2 more months, it'll be 10 years.
Everything we do is a learning experience.
It is. Good, bad, and different.
Yes.
Yep. We really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for watching. And make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet. And to click the bell every time we get to notify you.
What she said.
Wait, I'm saying
Ring
this
the dang bell.
Ring the dang bell. Just click that bell so that we can let you know when we put out a video, if you want to watch it or not. We hope you do, and then we hope you give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment and share us with all of your friends and family you want to torment. Friday was Lola lunch day, of course, and you did some video stuff. You're kind of going over, we're doing our throwback Wednesdays.
Yep.
And kind of going over some of our older videos, especially because we have so many new people here. We appreciate that. And so
Last Wednesday, we had a throwback video that was about Tonopah, Nevada. If you've never been through Nevada, you need to go watch that because it's kind of a cool thing. And this Wednesday, What Up Wednesday, is a throwback to when we tried to change a wheel on our fifth wheel. Not the tire, nothing wrong with the tire, but wait till you see this video. It'll be coming out about 2 o'clock Pacific time this Wednesday.
Yeah. So watch that. Please remember we are an Amazon affiliate, and if you want to order anything from Amazon, please click through our link below in the description, and you can order, and we get a little teeny tiny commission for sending you their way. Boondockers Welcome, we have links below to that. We love Boondockers Welcome. We met some awesome people there and had some wonderful places to stay. Passport America, is there still a deal going on?
There's always a deal going on with Passport America. If you are new to the RV lifestyle and you're looking for different things to join and try to save money, Passport America is a great one if you're going to be full-time because of the restrictions they put on Passport America parks. The Passport America parks themselves put it on. It doesn't matter if you're full-time because you can work around all of that.
Yep, doesn't have
Click
to
the
apply
link
to you.
below, read through, and use that link to sign up, and we both get a deal. If you sign up for an annual, you get an extra 3 months if you use our link. Bonfire, we've got new ball caps, we've got new shirts, there's new coffee mugs and drink thingies, and go check it out at bonfire.com. Use the link below, it'll take you right to our storefront.
Storefront? Can't come in the back door?
No.
All right. Back doors are exits only. All right. Everybody, you have a fantastic week. We hope that you are not melting where you are. And we will see you next Saturday.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.